Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. I am putting a scent in my warmer this morning. It's cranberries. I am tidying up the house from having company. And on this particular day that I am doing this, I have a gentleman outside working and painting my front porch. And so I am taking advantage of the time and giving my house a good spruce since my company has left and gone home. So you're seeing me run my vacuum cleaner there just to pick up lots of crumbs. We've had a lot of traffic in and out of the house, and I am loading bottled waters because it has been at least 95 degrees outside. It has been extraordinarily hot. And I'm also going to be making some fresh iced tea in my tea maker because we need some. And there is all that beautiful produce that some friends have brought to me and we have totally enjoyed. And I'm going to give the bathrooms a good clean. I'm using Comet bleach cleaner on the shower. I'm just trying to, when company leaves, it's just time to wipe everything down. Plus, I have a busy day the next day after I do all of this. And knowing that my day is going to be busy, it's going to be really nice to wake up to a tidied space. And I love that. Like when I get up in the morning and there's not any dirty dishes in the sink and the bathrooms smell fresh and everything's kind of kept up and done, I can kind of relax a little bit in the morning when I have my coffee and just kind of breathe. It's not all just kind of sitting on me. But yes, it's got to get the bathrooms clean after the company went home. So now iced tea is going into the fridge so it'll get nice and cold. And I'm going to dry and put up the dishes that I made time for earlier this morning. I have recently purchased a new vacuum cleaner. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner, and I will show you it a little more closely later on in this video. But it definitely picks up all the little crummies on the floor. And because we've had so much traffic in and out of the house, I'm just going to use my my spray mop to kind of just tidy the floors a little bit on this particular day. So vacuuming the staircase is probably my most unliked chore that I have to do. But I will have to say my new vacuum has definitely made the task a lot easier, especially on my back, because this new vacuum I bought only weighs 8 pounds. So it's such a breeze to get up the stairs with and to tackle the carpeting. Now I put all of our towels in the dryer, and now you're going to see me mop. And my little mop is loaded with Pine Sol and water, and it does the trick every time. I absolutely love this spray mop because you can just throw the pad into the washing machine. You don't have to worry about buying disposable pads for it because it gets kind of expensive. But this way I just take it off and throw it into the washing machine, and I can just use it over and over again. Time to fold the towels, and so I'm folding guest towels, plus we had a few towels. In a few minutes I'm going to show you what my new vacuum actually picked up off of my carpeting. It is unreal because you guys know, if you've watched my recent cleaning videos, you have seen that I have shampooed and vacuumed and scrubbed. It's amazing how quickly things can get dirty. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it motivational. And yes, there's my guest room. There's my new vacuum. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.